If you want to create a pattern or a texture to use in rendering in 3D package or 2D package, you can use pattern generator. It creates a seamless pattern, tileable pattern. You create a pattern like this one by one, and then you can tiling that. You can see you can tiling. It will be generate more and more texture. Nice. You can zoom in, zoom out. Interesting. So you can create seamless tileable pattern. Just you have to design a design with a blue flower with the pink leaves. If you want, you can just type anything that you want, choose a style, for example vector pattern like this. You can change the style of that, okay, or any style. It does not create exactly this, but similar to that. If you don't want to choose a style and just create with a prompt, make style, customize none, negative prompt, exactly prompt that you don't want to see in your design. Fast mode is on and generate 2. And let's see what happened. It's created tileable, and then you can download it with upscaler, with 4K, 8K, any size that you want. And done. You can see it create my pattern, and you can tiling that. Interesting. Nice. And then you can download it with any resolution that you want, or you can upscale it that. Nice. Can publish that to see what happened. Okay. Let's see what you got here. Mickey Mouse design. Mickey Mouse design with no style and generate. Let's see what happened. Okay, it creates something like that, and I want to tiling that. Okay, let's Mickey Mouse design with some style. Which style do you want? Abstract. With this style, let's see what happened if we change the style. Mixing to our prompt. Interesting. You can see it's trying to mixing a Mickey Mouse with that style. So you can enhance it and delete a cartoon character with smiling. Let's try it. You can enhance your prompt that you try to create more prompt for you automatically. If you enhance prompt again, it creates another thing. Oh, horrible. Well, it's okay. It's nice. I want to publish that, but it's tileable, and you can tiling that anywhere that you want in any software. That's it. It's very simple. So you type anything that you want, and then doing for that. Let's type cells with any design, like TutorialCells. Let's see, it creates cells for us. But for better understanding, we can see it create the cells for us with cells with no, it's a realistic one. Oh, create cells with no Christmas wooden abstract cells mixing to Which one? I think, yeah, like this abstract number. 32. Let's try it again. We are mixing our prompt with style. See what happened. As you can see, it's mixing that to prompt to our style. Okay. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.